Hey, welcome back everybody. Look what my wife got me. Look at that. Whatever happens, we're eating it. I think that should be my new slogan. And it's got a pocket that fits my beer. I don't think that's what it was designed for, but that's how I'm using it. So I wanted to share another dish with you of my mother-in-law's. This is another dish that she often serves at Thanksgiving, and it's another one that's super simple and super good. This is Hawaiian broccoli rice casserole. I'm not sure what makes it Hawaiian, but whatever, that's what it says on the card. So I've got the oven preheating to 375, and let's take a look at what we need here. All right, we got a bag of frozen broccoli, we got some velveeta. You know, I just noticed this. Liquid gold. Really, Velveeta? Liquid gold? Somebody thinks highly of themselves. And we got some cream of mushroom soup, we got some cream of chicken soup, we have a stick of butter, an onion, and a little thing to drink because if it's Thanksgiving, you probably need it. And we need a cup and a half of rice. And if you've got some leftover rice, this is a perfect dish for that. Or if you just get a package of this ready rice, this is just about the amount you need. The recipe also calls for some chopped celery, but I hate celery, so there. Okay, first thing we gotta do is chop up this onion. Seems like a lot of my recipes start this way. All right, we gotta turn up our stove and get the butter melting. That's right, the whole stick. All right, now while that's going, we're gonna get out our liquid gold. And we're gonna chop that up into some little cubes. Pretty sure gold doesn't sound like that when you drop it. Does it? That doesn't sound very gold-like to me. And just saute our onions until they're translucent. I'm gonna add velveeta. Get that melting. Boy, that is good. Leinenkugel toasted Bach. I highly recommend it. First time I saw a Leinenkugel on a bottle, I thought surely that's an import. Nope. Wisconsin. All right, then we're gonna add our cream of chicken soup and our cream of mushroom soup. All right, and then we're gonna spray a 3-quart pan, baking dish, I guess, not pan. We're going to take a whisk and just get this all nicely blended. Then we add our rice and our broccoli. Oops, mayday! Usually Dolly comes and cleans up stuff that we drop on the floor, but for some reason she's not partial to vegetables. Get that all evened out there. And then that goes in the oven for an hour. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh boy, this is yummy. So again, super easy dish and a great side dish for a holiday meal, be it Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever. So I hope you're having a great holiday season, and don't forget to stay healthy and happy. I'll see you next time. Cheers.